Part 4. We are going to continue with solving linear equations. You will find this on page 116 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Now, solve the equation. You can see that this is a fraction. Okay, the 5 is not standing in the numerator, it's standing in the denominator. So what do I have to do? Now, because it's in the denominator, in order to cancel that 5, because I just want 1x, I will multiply with 5 over 1. So let's just show you. As soon as you multiply with 5 over 1, then the 5's will cancel out. And whatever I do on one side, I do on the other side. So I multiply with 5 on the left-hand side, and I also multiply with 5 on the right-hand side. So 4 times 5, that will be 20. Okay, now I want you to test it again. So 20 divided by 5, that will be equal to 4. Okay, I just want to read this note. When you are solving an equation, write the equal signs directly underneath each other. So try, sometimes it's a bit challenging, but try to write the equal signs underneath each other. It will also help you with the order in your sum. Okay, try now 5, number A, B, and C. Okay, let's continue. Try now 5. Let's start with number A. So it's x over 4 is equal to 6. Now remember, you want to cancel this 4. Now what will cancel this 4? If you multiply with 4 over 1. But whatever you do on one side, you're also going to do on the other side. So basically, if you do this, you're going to say, okay, the 4's cancel, so I have x. And remember, this is actually also over 1. So 6 times 4 will be 24. And you can test it. 24 divided by 4 will be equal to 6. Let's look at number B. So this will be x over 3 is equal to 7. Now remember again, I want to get rid of this 3. So what will I do? I multiply 3 over 1. Multiply 3 over 1. Don't forget this 7 is also over 1. So what will happen? This 3's will cancel, and I will end up with x. And 7 multiply 3, that will be 21. And then my final one. So it's x over 6, but now it's negative 2. Remember that the negative is part of the 2. So I will just multiply here with 6 over 1, and I multiply with 6 over 1. Don't forget that this one is also over 1. Then what will happen? The 6 will cancel, and I will be ending with x is equal. What's negative 2 times 6? There's one negative, odd number, so keep the negative. So 2 times 6 is 12. And you can say negative 12 divided by 6 will be equal to negative 2. Okay. We will continue with more difficult ones in the next part.